I don't know, should I drink this on camera? Should I drink on camera? I don't know if I should drink on camera.
No, don't do it.
I've already showed the liquor on camera, I might as well do it. So here's the deal. Every time Christina gets in my truck, she freaks out because the seat's always moved and it's probably all in her head. But so this time, me and Bean went to lunch today and he moved the seat like way back. So we're gonna see if she notices. She's still inside, so we'll get a reaction when she gets in. Here she comes, here she comes. Act natural, act natural.
Why are you recording me? Who the fuck sat here? Why is it leaned all the way back? It's not funny. This shit is annoying.
Bean.
Steve is always fucked with.
Bean, we did a good job.
Leave it alone.
Yes, sir.
God damn.
We just had Chili's and wow, the crack on my screen is definitely getting bigger. Okay, anyway, I was told to get my camera and open the door. I can definitely tell how big the crack is now. Wow. I like that. I can deal with that. I can deal with that.
You can't even see what it says.
Yeah, you can.
What
You can
does
see
it
that.
say?
Badass wife only. Are you proposing to me?
No, I don't want to be on the camera.
Are you proposing?
I thought it would be funny when like Lance opens the door or somebody.
Oh, what? Yeah, that's gonna be bad. Oh my, no, I'm not looking forward to that. Half dead, half awake. But for those of you that don't know, my debit card has been cracked for a long time, and I think it's like a game now to see how long I can use it until it finally breaks. I do have my new one. Yeah, I'm like, oh, it's pretty. I feel like I'm driving a dually because I've got no spacers on the front and 4-inch spacers on the back. Idiot. Yeah. Hey, but I'm getting Chick-fil-A though. Welcome to the vlog. And hitting this curb behind me. Ooh, actually no, I just missed it. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Look, here's the deal, guys. We have like 15 to 20 days somewhere in there before my birthday. My birthday lands on the 99th vlog in a row. That's crazy. I couldn't have planned that any better. What I need you to do, you guys need to hit the subscribe button. We need to hit 10K by the end of this 100-day challenge. Once I hit 10K, I'm getting a Bread Gang tattoo. Yes, I am serious. I am dead ass getting a Bread Gang tattoo. Yes, I just said dead ass. So you guys need to go hit that subscribe button, join the Bread Gang, help me get to 10K, help me reach this 100-day goal. So you guys need to smash that freaking, I'm trying not to cuss as much, subscribe button and help your boy out. Let's get this fucking bread. So Bean, I've got good news, bad news, and bad news. I'll start with the good news. The Matco man comes today. The bad news is I broke the socket. And the other bad news is I was halfway done with the spacers. Not a good look. Yeah. Let me get the thumbs down. Let me get, yep, okay.
Catch it, Alex.
That's funny. What the hell is going on here? Whoa!
Oh yeah.
I'm kind of glad that that one broke yesterday because I just bought one myself and it still doesn't fit. So Jake's coming to save the day, hopefully. Guess we'll see. Set the camera back up and let it ride. Yep, there you go. Off it comes. Phew. Off with the spacer. What you doing? Might as well just come get in the brand.
Hey, put the hot dog in front of you. What was that, Lion? Put the hot dog in front of the camera.
You know, actually, some of my favorite moments are when you guys take the camera.
Nah.
These things are gonna be tight. Tight.
There you go.
You set up. Right there.
Yeah, I was trying to get some tires out here. They've been a lot easier without the truck in the way.
I'm sure you guys are looking at the thumbnail and trying to figure out, what are we celebrating? Congrats on what? And I am here to tell you. So I've been putting this off for about 2 or 3 days. I have not checked my phone, nothing. So I started a truck page February of 2018, so over 2 years ago, about 2.5 years ago. And it was the very first truck page I started. My truck was on a 6-inch lift. Like, there was, Thatwide.bowtie was not even like a, what's going on right now? Thatwide.bowtie was not even a thing. Like, my truck was on a 6-inch lift and some 35s. If you guys can find a picture of it, that's great. There's some pictures of it like back then, way back on that page. If you guys can find it, that's great. But I'm not gonna show you. Anyway, there's a giraffe coming in front of my camera screen. So we're here to celebrate because when I started that page, there was no truck game to me. There was no nothing. I just wanted to start something and build something. And long story short, I had that page for about a year. I started my page, and then about 1.5 years into that page, it got taken away. It got deleted off my account for whatever reason. A lot of you OGs to that page will remember I didn't post on that page for over a year because I was locked out of it. I had switched phones, and I don't know what happened. I was never able to log back in. Trust me, I tried everything. I emailed, Instagram, all of it. I tried everything. And I never got it back. And then one day, last October, November, something like that, I reset the password on my phone doing something, and bam, there it was, logged right back in. We were at 6,300 followers at the time when I got logged back in. A little over 6,300, and we're over 10K now, or I was told so. I had stopped checking my phone 2 days ago when we were at 99.95, and I'm gonna upload the clip. I'm gonna screenshot it on my phone or screen record it so you guys can see when I go log back into the account for the first time and it switches to 10K, so you guys can see it. We are celebrating like that's, don't get me wrong, hitting 10, 20, and hitting 25 at some point, even on Thatwide.bowtie's page, is gonna be cool. But this is the first page I ever really put time and effort into. This page taught me so much, and it was my introduction into the truck game, and I've never been more grateful to hit a milestone than this one. This one is just insane to me. So we're gonna celebrate at the end of this. But I'm gonna go check right now into that. Dang, look at, there it is. 10K on this page. That is insane. That is, oh, I can't even believe it. We're gonna go to the insights. 10,077 followers. That's what we're at right now. 10,077. Can you guys see that right there? 1077. I'm at a loss for words. Thank you guys so much for always supporting that page. I never really talk and stuff on that page. That's just a page I run on the back end, on the back, you know, the back side of everything. And I've never been so grateful to hit 10K on something. That's so insane. I can't even believe it. Now this video is probably gonna get demonetized because of what's about to happen next. I've never done this. I hope you guys know, a lot of you know I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't really do any of that stuff. I know I talk about it on my Instagram sometimes, but it's never really my thing. But today's occasion, I think we deserve a toast to the bread gang for this one. So I'm pulling out some sweet tea. Sweet tea, yeah. I'm only gonna, you know what, we're gonna, if I can get the bottle open, god damn. Am I drunk already? We're, dang, I got a little tiny one, if y'all can see a little bit. I got a little tiny one, because I don't need to be getting drunk on camera. So we're gonna pour a little half shot. We're not trying to get drunk. You can flame me in the comments if you want. I'm not a drinker, but I think today definitely deserves a little bit of a thank you to all of you guys for helping the page out. Alex's first time drinking on camera. I haven't had alcohol in, damn, it's probably been, we drink a little wine here and there, I guess. Yeah, but like this, it's been months. It's been months. But this one's to you guys. Thank you guys so much for a great run. 10K, maybe 10 more. We'll see. I don't know. Just a little history for you guys. You guys probably don't care, but I'm a huge shot glass collector. I've got over 200 or 300 at my house, all from around the world. This one is from this one's from Boston Tea Party, December 16th, 1773. So coming in clutch with the Boston Tea Party shot glass. Again, thank you guys. The page is just.bowties for those of you that don't know. Thank you guys so much for supporting the page. Cheers to you guys. Clink. There we go. I'ma need a second guess. I'ma need a second. Woo. All this liquor got me second guessing. Now we 5 shots deep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shots deep. Yeah. Okay, I'm done singing. I'll see you guys later. I don't know, should I drink this on camera? Should I drink on camera? I don't know if I should drink on camera. I've already showed the liquor on camera. I might as well do it. Behind the scenes for you guys. I got behind the scenes for you guys. I will see you guys next time. Let's get this motherfucking bread. Oh, coming in. Wait, you gotta get it. You gotta get it in the, let's get this fucking bread. If we keep it going, we both know how it ends. Know what's up, cause I already saw you ditching your friends. But is it even worth the time to spend? Oh no.